And in today's video, I'm going to talk to you everything about the project overview, the location, the amenities, the carpet sizes, and a lot more. So first of all, let me tell you about the complete project. Now this is SCDA, that is Smart City Delhi Airport, which is going to be located in a total land parcel of 250 acres, which is going to have multiple residential complexes inside it. नाउ रेसिडेंशियल कॉम्प्लेक्स कौन सा वाला है इसके बारे में तो मैं आपको बता दूं, लेकिन सबसे पहले मुझे इस प्रोजेक्ट की लोकेशन आपको बतानी पड़ेगी. फर्स्ट थिंग, एज आई टोल्ड यू, 250 एकर्स के अंदर दिस इज गोइंग टू बी द बिगेस्ट टाउनशिप इन गुड़गांव. फर्स्ट थिंग्स फर्स्ट. सेकंड थिंग इज दैट इट इज लोकेटेड राइट ऑन द बॉर्डर of Delhi, and that means it is right on the expressway of the Dwarka Expressway. अब इसी के साथ साथ क्योंकि इसका लोकेशन इतना प्राइम है, और क्या स्पेशल है इसके लोकेशन में? वेल, द बेस्ट पार्ट इज दैट दिल्ली IGI एयरपोर्ट इज गोइंग टू बी हार्डली 7 to 8 minutes drive from here once the tunnel is ready. After that, along with that, you all know about Yashobhoomi, which is going to be the International Conclave Center, Convention Center, in fact, जहाँ पर all the major meetings are going to happen. उसी के साथ साथ नजदीक ही है Diplomat Conclave, जहाँ पे होने वाले हैं total 56 embassies. Now the location part, there's something more that I have to tell you about the location. That the upcoming Bharat Vandana Park, which is going to have more than 40 monuments from all over India, is going to be located right over here. उसी के साथ साथ even the Dwarka golf course is very nearby. Now because of all of these specialities, the people who are investing over here are going to be all of the top notch levels. The creme de la creme from not just from Delhi but from all over India are investing over here at SCDA, जिसकी वजह से काफी सारे प्रोजेक्ट्स में इनके काफी सारे फेजेस जो है वो ऑलरेडी सोल्ड आउट हो चुके हैं. तो अब बात करते हैं इनके इस रेसिडेंशियल प्रोजेक्ट के बारे में. And this is the M3M universe, and now is the time to step into the future with me. I'm going to tell you everything about the M3M projects that are coming up right over here at Dwarka Expressway. Let's walk into it together. And this right behind me is Mansion. Now this project, which is located right inside SCDA, is of total 10 acres, जिसके अंदर the upcoming towers are currently going to be 7, which are going to be of ground plus 32 floors of beautiful 3.5 and 4.5 BHKs with utility, that is your servants room as well. Now the carpet areas of these houses begin from 2310 to 3400 square feet, and these are going to be extremely beautiful apartments because every floor will have only 4 apartments and there will be 4 lifts as well. So it becomes almost like a personal lift for an apartment, though it's going to be 3 passenger lifts and 1 service lift. इसके अलावा ये तो हो गई घर के अंदर की बातें. घर के अंदर की बात एक तो मैंने आपको बताई नहीं, इनफैक्ट एक है नहीं, इसीलिए काफी सारी बातें हैं, जैसे कि हर एक घर के अंदर आपको मिलेगा VRV एयर कंडीशन, completely fitted kitchens, and also wooden engineering floors for the bedrooms. Along with that, you will also get wraparound balconies inside the house. अब घर के अंदर की बातें हो गई और आप प्रोजेक्ट 3D मॉडल देख ही रहे हैं, तो मैं आपको ये भी बता दूं कि अमेनिटीज भी काफी सारी हैं. There are going to be multiple swimming pools which you can already see right over here. There's going to be a golf course, a 9-foot golf course. Along with that, there is also going to be an infinity swimming pool which is going to be temperature controlled. इसी के साथ साथ there's going to be a bowling alley, there's going to be a private theater, an amphitheater, and multiple other amenities which will also include a special sports arena. और अगर आपको लग रहा है कि ये सब चीजें आपको आके देखनी है, तो उसके लिए आपको क्या करना पड़ेगा? बट बहुत सिंपल है. नीचे कैप्शन में एक लिंक मेंशन्ड है. All you need to do is simply click on that link and our salesperson will get in touch with you. Once you get in touch with our salesperson, he will guide you through your favorite projects and also offer you with a free pickup and drop service. उसी के साथ साथ we also directly connect you with the developers, जिसकी वजह से we offer you completely zero brokerage policy, and also we have multiple payment options for you. Multiple payment options and multiple discounts also. Well, isn't all of this amazing? Let me also tell you that we are not just present in Delhi, but we are present across major metros in India, and also we have a global presence. So अगर आप देख रहे हैं घर not just in Delhi but in anywhere in the world, do not forget to contact us over here at Property Cloud. This is me, Ekta Kapoor. Stay tuned to our channel. Thank you.